What's good, y'all? Back at it again with another video. It's your boy Kenny, and have some news for you to share. And I recently got something stolen from me at my house in my driveway. And yes, it's my Honda Civic. And someone had the audacity to come into my driveway, have the time to get a screwdriver and unscrew the fog light out of my car. And the thing is, they took only one fog light, the left one to be specific, not even both fog lights. Like, it doesn't make any sense to me. But yeah, people are telling me, I was telling my friends this, they're telling me like, Kenny, I think maybe it fell out, but like if it did fall out, I would have like ran over it, or I would have felt it when I was driving or something like that. But yeah, I don't think so. And the screw was holding on to the fog light, so there's that too. But yeah, that day I was going out into the city. I took the bus. I didn't drive because it's hard to find parking in the city. I went into the city to meet up with a friend and have some lunch. Then I come back home a couple hours later and it was gone. So I was just baffled that someone would do that. But I'm not even mad that it got stolen. I'm mad that he took one and not both. Like, just take both of it. Like, I don't even care. But it is what it is. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video.
A few moments later. Two hours later.
Yeah, like I said, it was not cool at all for someone to do that. But I had fun making this video. It was a funny skit. I thought it was funny. But if y'all like something like that, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully you'll have more stories like this if my life is that dramatic, but hopefully not. But yeah, more videos coming soon, so see you later.